हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। आज की इस वीडियो में देखेंगे एनडीए अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 100 के क्वेश्चन और उसके आंसर्स। ये वीडियो सिर्फ और सिर्फ की रीजन के लिए है। डिटेल वीडियो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, वहाँ से लिंक क्लिक करके आप डिटेल वीडियो देख सकते हैं। एनडीए अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट के सारे पीडीएफ अवेलेबल हैं। उसके लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए व्हाट्सएप नंबर से कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पर स्टार्ट करेंगे हम केमिस्ट्री से, सॉरी बायो से, देन आएंगे केमिस्ट्री पे, देन इसके बाद हम फिजिक्स पे आएंगे। ओके, अगर इस वीडियो क्वालिटी आपको लो लगे तो आप वीडियो डोर एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड कर लें। उसके बाद फिर VLC मीडिया प्ले से चलाएंगे तो आपको फुल स्क्रीन में HD क्वालिटी में चलेगा। उसका भी जो लिंक है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट यहाँ पे बायो का है। द फैटी लिवर सिंड्रोम इज ड्यू टू excessive intake of, answer will be B, alcohol. Fatty liver is condition that is also known as hepatic steatosis. It is observed due to accumulation of fat in the liver. Having too much of fat in the liver can become a health problem. The chronic use of drugs and alcohol damages the liver, in which the destruction of hepatocytes and fibroblasts is seen. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड यहाँ पे है, मैच द फॉलोइंग फॉर PGR एंड दियर केमिकल नेचर एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट यहाँ पे IAA है, सेकंड काइनेटिन, थर्ड AB और फोर्थ यहाँ लास्ट है GA3। तो इंडोल एसिटिक एसिड का थर्ड होगा, यानी इंडोल कंपाउंड्स होते हैं। B का 4 यानी काइनेटिन का एडेनिन डेरिवेटिव। C का 1 यानी एब्सिसिक एसिड का कैरोटेनोइड्स डेरिवेटिव होते हैं। और D लास्ट का सेकंड हो गया, यानी कि जो जिब्रेलिक एसिड होते हैं वो टेरिपिन्स डेरिवेटिव होते हैं। यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो फिल करके रीड कर लेंगे। द इंजाइम प्रेजेंट इन RBC एट हायर कंसंट्रेशन इज, आंसर विल बी D, carbonic anhydrase. RBC contain a very high concentration of the enzyme carbonic anhydrase, and minute quantities of the same is present in the plasma too. The enzyme facilitates the reversible conversion of CO2 and H2O to HCO3. The enzyme catalyzes a reaction by increasing the rate of friction in a normal cellular condition. Carbonic anhydrase is one of the fastest enzyme which increases the speed of the reaction by forming 6 lakh molecules of product per second. In humans, the two different harmful species of Mycobacterium causes. Answer will be D, leprosy and tuberculosis. In humans, leprosy is caused by Mycobacterium leprae bacterium, whereas the disease tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacterium. cDNA is synthesized from RNA by the enzyme. Answer will be D, RNA-dependent DNA polymerase. DNA which is synthesized by RNA is called cDNA. cDNA is complementary DNA which is synthesized by enzyme DNA, RNA-dependent DNA polymerase, reverse polymerase. This enzyme is present in two groups of viruses commonly known as retrovirus. Which one of the following structure is considered as a secondary lymphoid organ? आंसर will be D, all of these. टॉन्सिल, पेयर्स पैजेज और अपेंडिक्स सारे होते हैं secondary lymphoid organ. The immune cells are synthesized and get matured in the primary lymphoid organs like thymus and bone marrow. After maturation, the lymphocytes migrate from primary lymphoid organ to secondary lymphoid organs like spleen, lymph nodes, tonsils, Peyer's patches in a small intestine, and appendix. The mRNA codon which codes for the amino acid valine is, answer will be A, GUC. Some amino acids are coded by more than one codon as the genetic code is degenerative in nature. Amino acid valine is coded by four codons GUU, GUC, GUA, and GUG. ELISA is a technique used for early diagnosis of pathogen and is based on, answer will be D, detecting the antibodies synthesized against the pathogen. Enzyme linked immunosorbent assay is antibody is based on the principle of antigen antibody interaction. It is used for the early detection of pathogens. Infection by the pathogen is detected by the presence of antigen or by detecting the antibodies synthesized against the pathogen. In ELISAs, specific enzymes are added which binds with the pathogen to form an immunologically active substance that can be easily detected. यहाँ fill in the blanks of the fill रीड कर लेंगे. The second meiotic division of secondary oocyte is unequal and result in the formation of polar body. The entry of a sperm into the cytoplasm of secondary oocytes brings the signal to induce the completion of the meiotic division. The second meiotic division of secondary oocyte is unequal, which results in the formation of large size haploid ovum and a teeny haploid cell called a polar body. Which of the following bacteria is not a source of restriction endonuclease? Answer will be C. Agrobacterium tumefaciens. First restriction endonuclease hint second was obtained from Haemophilus influenza. E. coli is a source of many restriction endonuclease like E. coli first, E. coli second. Restriction endonuclease BAM first is obtained from Bacillus amyloliquefaciens. Agrobacterium is the source of Ti plasmid containing tDNA which is involved in the causing crown gall tumor in plants. The trees occupy the top vertical strata of a forest shrubs. The second and herbs and grass occupy the bottom layers. This represents answer will be C. Stratification. Vertical distribution of different species occupying different levels is called stratification. For example, trees occupy top vertical strata of layers of a forest. Shrubs the second and herbs and grasses occupy the bottom layers. सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. आंसर यहाँ पे डी होगा. आफ्टर इम्प्लांटेशन फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन appear on the trophoblast which is surrounded by uterine tissue and maternal blood. The first movement of the fetus and the appearance of hairs on the head are usually observed during the fifth month of pregnancy. The mammary gland of the female undergo differentiation during pregnancy and start producing milk towards the end of the pregnancy. Trophoblast cells provide nutrients to the embryo and develop into the placenta. They are formed during the first stage of pregnancy and become the first cells to differentiate into extra-embryonic structures that do not directly contribute to the formation of the embryo. After implantation, a finger-like projection called microvilli appears on the trophoblast, which is surrounded by uterine tissue and maternal blood and is required for the supply of nutrients. Which Government Act of India has passed in 1986 to protect and improve the quality of our environment, air, water and soil? Answer will be A. NEPA, that is National Environment Protection Act. In order to control environment pollution, the Government of India has passed the National Environment Protection Act 1986 to protect and improve the quality of our environment, that is water, air and soil. Which of the following hotspot not present in India? आंसर will be C. ईस्टर्न घाट. बाकी सारे जो हैं वो हॉटस्पॉट है इंडिया के. वेस्टर्न घाट एंड श्रीलंका, द हिमालय रीजन्स और इंडो वर्मा रीजन्स. There are three hotspots in India: Western Ghats and Sri Lanka. Indo Burma and Himalayas cover our country's exceptionally high biodiversity regions. The Eastern Ghat is not a hot spot. Which of the following process will bring about genetic variation? Answer will be D. Both B and C, यानी outcrossing or cross pollination. Autogamy is a transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same flower. Outcrossing is a breeding technique in animals or plants which are not closely related and brings about the genetic variations in organisms. In cross pollination, genogamy, a transfer of pollen grain from one flower to the stigma of the another flower on different parts. This is true for bringing genetic variation. Menstruation or menstrual flow in a woman occurs due to lack of hormone. Answer will be C. Progesterone. Due to regression of corpus luteum, the progesterone hormone concentration decreases, which leads to degeneration and shedding of endometrium layer along the blood called menstruation. Long distance transport of water, minerals and food is generally carried out by? Answer will be C, mass flow system. Transport over distance proceeds through the vascular system, the xylem and the phloem and is called translocation. Long distance transport of substances within a plant cannot be by diffusion alone as diffusion is slow process. Active transport involves a high amount of energy. Water, minerals and food are generally moved by mass or bulk flow. Inbreeding depression can be overcome by, answer will be A, outcrossing. Inbreeding refers to the mating of more closely related individuals within the same breed for 4 to 6 generations. Inbreeding increases homozygosity and can be used to produce pure lines. However, the continued breeding of closely related animals usually reduces fertility and productivity. This is called inbreeding depression. The cross between the members of the same breed which have no common ancestors for 4 to 6 generations, a single outcross often helps to overcome inbreeding depression. Thalassemia and sickle cell anemia are caused due to a problem in globin molecule synthesis. Select the correct statement. Answer will be B. Thalassemia is due to less synthesis of globin molecules. Thalassemia is an autosomal recessive blood disorder in which the hemoglobin is abnormal, causing anemia due to non-synthesis or reduced rate of synthesis of one of the globin chains. In thalassemia, due to the defective gene, there is less synthesis of globin protein, thus it is a quantitative blood disorder. Thalassemia can be due to less synthesis of alpha or beta globin protein of hemoglobin. In sickle cell anemia, the globin protein synthesis is defective, thus it is a qualitative blood disorder. Sickle cell anemia is only due to defective beta chain of the globin molecule. The infertility in male due to very low sperm counts in the ejaculates or inability to inseminate the female partner can be corrected by, answer will be D, both A and B are used, यानी artificial insemination और intrauterine insemination. ये हमारा क्वेश्चन रिपीटेड है. The infertility in male is due to very low sperm counts in the ejaculates or inability to inseminate the female partner can be corrected by using artificial insemination AI technique. This include intrauterine insemination IUI. यहाँ पे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स तो फिल कर रीड कर लेंगे. इसका हमने ट्रिक भी बताया था. अकॉर्डिंग टू रॉबर्ट कॉन्स्टेंजा, द स्वाल्व फॉर्मेशन अकाउंट्स फॉर अबाउट 50% इन इकोसिस्टम सर्विसेज. तो हमने यहाँ बताया था कि सॉइल को याद रखना है. एस ओ को अगर हम मॉडिफाई करें तो 50, एस ओ को हम 50 रख सकते हैं सॉइल का, तो यहाँ 50% हो जाएंगे. ओके, बाकी सारे के भी हमने बताया था, आप जो है पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में देख सकते हैं. Which of the following is correct for the sterilization technique? Answer will be D. Vasectomy in male and tuberctomy in female. Surgical methods are applicable for male and female as a terminal method to prevent any more pregnancies. Sterilization technique is in males is called vasectomy and in females is called tubectomy. When resources in the habitat are unlimited, then population grows in an exponential or geometrical fashion. Answer will be A. Resources or food and space availability is obviously essential for the unimpeded growth of population. Ideally, when resources in the habitat are unlimited, each species has the ability to realize fully its innate potential to grow in number. Then the population grows in an exponential or geometric fashion. The monarch butterfly is highly distasteful to its predator because, आंसर बोथ ए एंड बी, आंसर है यहाँ पे डी है, यानी कि बोथ एंड बी जो यहाँ पे करेक्ट है. स्पेशल केमिकल इज प्रेजेंट इन इट्स बॉडी और कार्डियक ग्लाइकोसाइड्स इज स्टोर्ड इन इट्स बॉडी. Monarch butterfly is highly distasteful to its predator bird because it is a special chemical present in its body. The butterfly acquires this chemical during its caterpillar stage by feeding on poisonous weed. Read the features given below and select the option for animals which correctly describes the feature mentioned. Okay, तो फर्स्ट यहाँ पे कह रहा है all are exclusively marine triploblastic coelomate organisms with a water vascular system. ये जो फीचर है हमारा वो इकाइनोडर्मेटा का है, तो उसका एग्जाम्पल हमारा यहाँ पे हो जाएगा एस्टेरियसिस। ओके, सेकंड यहाँ पे कह रहा है स्मॉल ग्रुप ऑफ वर्म लाइक मेराइन एनिमल्स विद ऑर्गेन सिस्टम लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इसका आंसर हो जाएगा बलानोग्लोसस। और थर्ड यहाँ पे कह रहा है द बॉडी इज कवर्ड बाय अ कैलकेरियस सेल एंड इज अनसेगमेंटेड विद अ डिस्टिंक्ट हेड, मस्कुलर फुट एंड विसरल हम्प, इसका आंसर होगा थर्ड, यानी मोलस्का फैमिली का ये कैरेक्टर है, इसका एग्जाम्पल होगा पाइला। और फोर लास्ट यहाँ पे है ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक सीरोसिलोमेट एनिमल्स इन विच एलिमेंट्री कैनाल इज कंप्लीट विद अ वेल डेवलप्ड मस्कुलर फेरिंग्स का होगा फोर, यानी एस्केरियसिस। ओके, Echinodermata are the exclusively marine triploblastic coelomate organisms with a water vascular system. एग्जाम्पल इसका है एस्टेरियस और ओफ्यूरिया। In mollusca, body is covered by calcareous cell and is unsegmented with a distinct head, muscular foot and visceral hump. इसका एग्जाम्पल है पाइला और सिपिया। Hemichordata are a small group of worms like marine animals with organ system level of organization. Example, Balanoglossus sacoclosus. Triploblastic pseudocoelomate animals in which alimentary canal is complete with a well-developed muscular pharynx is seen in SK helminthus with Ascaris as example. During the treatment of sewage water, the chemical process is carried out in which step of water treatment? Answer will be A, tertiary. Treatment of sewage water is carried out in three stages. Primary treatment is a physical process in which filtration and sedimentation are carried out to remove floating debris and grit. Secondary treatment is a biological treatment in which aerobic, heterotrophic or microbes are used, which consumes the major part of organic matter present in the effluent. Tertiary treatment, physicochemical process in which chlorine gas, zirconium, ozone gas, percolate salts, UV rays, or the reverse osmosis, etc., are used to remove DDT, pesticides, pathogens, and remove turbidity present in wastewater. Which of the following is true about the chromatids? इसका आंसर होगा यहाँ पे डी, it is one half of the replicated chromosome. It is one half of the replicated chromosome. DNA replication occurs during S phase of cycle cell, thus DNA contains doubles. The two chromatids represents the two replicated DNA which remain attached to a point called as centromere. Which of the following sets of animals have homeothermic monocondalic skull, 12 pairs of cranial nerves, pneumatic bones and 4 chambered हार्ट कंडीशन? तो ये हमारा जो है बर्ड्स एप्स का ये सब है कैरेक्टर्स, आंसर होगा बी, सिटाकुला, न्यूफ्रॉन और कोलंबा। एप्स आर वार्म ब्लडेड और होम्योथर्मिक एनिमल्स, दे हैव सिंगल occipital condyli, bone in the skull called monocondalic. They possess 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 4 chambered heart. एग्जाम्पल सीटाकुला जिसे पैरट बोलते हैं, न्यूफ्रॉन vulture और कोलंबा pigeon. A process in which the fitness of one species is significantly decreased in the presence of another species is. Answer will be C, competition. Competition is defined as a process in which fitness of one species measured in terms of its increasing rate of increase is significantly lower in the presence of another species. Which of the following classification is based on some morphological characters only? Answer will be A, artificial classification. In artificial classification, a few superficial morphological characters are considered, and classification is done on the basis of few morphological characters due to which closely related species are widely placed. In natural classification, gross morphological characters are considered and similarities and dissimilarities between organisms are studied. Classification based on evolutionary history is called a phylogenetic classification. The type of the type of natural selection in which, after the selection of traits by nature, two peak curve form is called. Answer will be C. Diversifying or disruptive selection. The type of natural selection in which nature eliminates the mean character or intermediate values and favor both lower and upper extremities for selection process is called diversifying or disruptive selection. The selection results in formation of two peak curve, free RNA or infectious particle, and of low molecular weight. Answer will be D. Was discovered by Theo Diner in 1971. Viruses are the smallest infectious pathogen known, consisting solely of short strands of circular single-stranded RNA without protein coats. They are mostly plant pathogens, some of which are economical importance. Viroid genomes are extremely small in size, ranging from 246 to 467 nucleobases. In comparison, the genome of the smallest known viruses capable of causing an infection by themselves are around 2000 nucleobases in size. The human pathogen hepatitis D virus is a defective RNA virus similar to viroids. Viroids, the first known representatives of a new domain of subviral pathogen, were discovered, initially characterized and named by Theodore Otto Diner, plant pathologist, as at the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Research Center in Beltsville, Maryland in 1971. The first viroid to be identified was potato spindle tuber viroid (PSTVD). Some 33 species have been identified. Prolonged dikaryotic stage is observed in. Answer will be D. Basidiomycetes. In Basidiomycetes, plasmogamy is not immediately followed by karyogamy. As a result, uh, a dikaryotic cell is formed. This dikaryotic cell undergoes division to form a dikaryotic hypha, which is well developed and forms dikaryotic mycelium. In Ascomycetes, a small dikaryotic hypha is formed, which forms ascus. How many of the following belongs to Ascomycota? Answer will be C. यहाँ पे जो 5 हैं वो एस्कोमाइसिटीज में बिलोंग करते हैं. एस्परगिलस, क्लैविसेप्स, नीरोस्पोरा, इर्सी इर्सिफा और पेनिसिलियम आर नंबर्स ऑफ एस्कोमाइसिटीज प्रेजेंट एस्कोमाइसिटीज फंजाई. बहुत सारे यहाँ पे जो हैं यहाँ पे हैं एक दो जो है यहाँ एनसीईआरटी से बाहर भी है, इसलिए यहाँ पे प्रोनाउंसिएशन में यहाँ पे थोड़ा मिस्टेक होता है. राइजोपस एंड एल्बुगो आर नंबर्स ऑफ फाइकोमाइसिटीज. एगेरिकस इज बेसिडोमाइसिटीज फंजाई एंड अल्टरनेरिया इज डिट्रोमाइसिटीज फंजाई. रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स रिगार्डिंग इवोल्यूशन. ये यहाँ पे कह रहा है रीड द यहाँ पे ओके. ये यहाँ पे है द थेराप्सिड्स वेयर सिनेप्सिड्स हु गेव राइज टू मैमल्स. ओके. बी यहाँ पे कह रहा है द सीड फंड्स, तो ये यहाँ पे जो है करेक्ट होगा. द सीड फंड्स वेयर द कॉमन एंसेस्टर्स ऑफ ऑल जिम्नोस्पर्म्स एंड एंजियोस्पर्म्स, तो ये हमारा जो है गलत है. सी यहाँ पे कह रहा है द टर्म साल्टेशन वाज गिवन बाय डॉबिन फॉर सिंगल स्टेप लार्ज म्यूटेशन, तो ये भी हमारा गलत है. साल्टेशन टर्म हमने ह्यूगो डिवरेस ने दिया था, हमने देखा था पिछले पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में. द वर्क ऑफ थॉमस माल्थस ऑन पॉपुलेशन इन्फ्लुएंस्ड डार्विन, तो ये हमारा जो बिल्कुल सही होगा. चूज द ऑप्शन बेस्ड ऑन द एक्यूरेसी ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट, तो बी और सी यहाँ पे जो है वो इनकरेक्ट होंगे और ए और डी यहाँ पे करेक्ट होंगे. पहले भी क्वेश्चन आ चुका है, रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है. द सीड फॉर्म्स वेर कॉमन एंसेस्टर ऑफ साइकट्स एंड एंजियोस्पर्म्स. The other gymnosperms are originated from xylophytons. The term saltation was given by Hugo de Varis or single step large mutation which causes speciation. Select the correct option of organelle with its function. तो यहाँ पे करेक्ट होगा ए गोल्जी apparatus, पैकेजिंग एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन्स. ये भी हमारा क्वेश्चन रिपीटेड है. फर्स्ट इन फाइंड द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग। तो यहाँ इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है ए, इंटीग्रल प्रोटीन्स आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द मेम्ब्रेन। ए हमारा जो है वो इनकरेक्ट है, बाकी बी सी डी जो यहाँ पे करेक्ट हैं। ये भी क्वेश्चन जो है पहले आ चुका है। ओके, phospholipids are arranged in bilayer, which is the major constituent of the cell membrane. The cell membrane of RBC consists of 40 lipids, 40% lipids and 52% proteins। इसका हमने ट्रिक ही बताया था, 40 याद रखने के लिए बोला था। 40 यानी कि 40 में 40% जो है लिपिड है, 40। ओके, और तो यहाँ पे 50% यहाँ पे प्रोटीन हो जाएंगे। ओके, यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स तो फिल रीड कर लेंगे। इसका भी हमने ट्रिक बताया था। इसका क्रेनल कैपेसिटी कैसे याद रखना है, तो इरेक्टस का हमने बताया था कि ई फॉर इरेक्टस है, और ई को अगर रिवर्स करेंगे यहाँ पे तो 9 हो जाएंगे, तो 900 हो जाएंगे। हैवलिस का हमने बताया था कि एच फॉर हैवलिस और एच फॉर हेक्सा यानी 650 होते हैं, तो 650 यहाँ पे नहीं है, इसलिए यहाँ पे गलत हो जाएगा। इसको यहाँ पे फिर रीड कर लेते हैं। द फॉसिल्स ऑफ द जावा मैन डिस्कवर्ड इन 1891 belonged to the species of Homo erectus. They had a larger brain capacity than its ancestors of about 900 cc. Fossils discovered in Java in 1891, known as Java Man, revealed the next stage of evolution as Homo erectus by Mayer. Homo erectus had a large brain around 900 cc. They probably ate meat. Which of the following arrangement of xylem is observed in a stem? Answer will be D, all of these. And protoxylem lies towards pith in the center. Metaxylem lies towards the periphery of the organ, or an in dark arrangement is present. Early formed smaller xylem is called as protoxylem, and later formed xylem is called as metaxylem. In stem, xylem is in dark with protoxylem placed towards the center and metaxylem placed towards the outer side of periphery. क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 यहाँ पे करा है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टाइप्स ऑफ वैस्कुलर बंडल्स आर फाउंड इन अ मोनोकॉट रूट? आंसर विल बी रेडियल वैस्कुलर बंडल विथ एक्जार्क जाइलम। In roots, vascular bundles are radial in with xylem bundle alternates with phloem bundle, and number of xylem bundle is equal to number of phloem bundle. Xylem is a jarg in which protoxylem is present towards the periphery and metaxylem is present towards the center. Arrangement of different zones present in the root in a vertical section and choose the correct option. Okay, तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे सी होगा यानी रूट कैप जोन, देन बी रूट ऑफ जोन ऑफ मेरिस्टेम, उसके बाद ई यानी जोन ऑफ इलोंगेशन, देन ए रूट हेयर जोन, और लास्ट में होगा डी यानी जोन ऑफ मैचुरेशन। The root is covered at the apex by thimble-like structure called as root cap. A few millimeters above root cap is zone of meristem in which cell repeatedly divides. Proximal to this zone is zone of elongation which undergo rapid elongation and enlargement. The region of elongation gradually differentiates and mature. Unicellular root hair develops and proximal to this is region of maturation. Which of the following factors are favorable for the binding of oxygen with hemoglobin to form ऑक्सीहीमोग्लोबिन? ओके, ये भी क्वेश्चन जो है पहले रिपीट कर चुका है। ये यहाँ पे है हाई PO2 और लो PCO2, तो बिल्कुल यहाँ पे सही है। हाई पीएच है, हाई टेम्परेचर गलत होगा। सी यहाँ पे लेस एच का एच प्लस कंसनट्रेशन और लो टेम्परेचर, तो ये भी हमारा बिल्कुल सही होगा। डी यहाँ पे लो पीएच हाई टेम्परेचर, तो ये भी हमारा जो है गलत होगा। ओके, तो ए और सी यहाँ पे करेक्ट होंगे, हाई PO2 और लो PCO2, और लो पीएच और हाई सॉरी लेस पीएच कंसंट्रेशन और लो टेम्परेचर। अकॉर्डिंग टू बोर्ड्स इफेक्ट द फेवरेबल कंडीशन फॉर बाइंडिंग ऑफ ऑक्सीजन विथ हीमोग्लोबिन टू फॉर्म ऑक्सीहीमोग्लोबिन आर हाई PO2, लो PCO2, लेस H प्लस कंसंट्रेशन, और हाई पीएच एंड लो टेम्परेचर। रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन, आगे बढ़ते हैं। How many plants in the list given below belongs to Fabaceae family? ओके, कौन कौन Fabaceae family के हैं? तो यहाँ पे आंसर होगा डी यानी कि 8 यहाँ पे जो हैं वो Fabaceae family के हैं। ग्राम, अरहर, सनहेम्प, मूंग, पी, ल्यूपिन, ट्राइफोलियम एंड सेसवेनिया। ओके, are members of Fabaceae family. Gram, arhar, mung, and pea are pulses. Sun hemp is fiber-yielding plant. Lupin is ornamental plant. Trifolium and sesbania are used as fodder. The pericanous condition of ovary is present in flower of. Answer will be D. पीच प्लम रोज पीच हमने इसका ट्रिक बना रखा है, आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में देख सकते हैं। सारे जितने भी हाइपोगानस एपोगानस है या फिर चैनल पर देख सकते हैं, उसका ट्रिक मिल जाएंगे आपको। इफ द गैनेसियम is situated in the center and other parts of the flowers are located on the rim of the thalamus almost at the same level, it is called as perigynous. The ovary here is said to be half inferior as in plum, rose and peach. Select the correct statement from the following. तो correct statement यहाँ पे C होगा। More is the solute concentration of solution, more will be the pressure required to prevent water from diffusing in. Osmotic pressure is the positive pressure applied on hypertonic solution. To stop osmosis, osmotic potential is negative and represents decrease in free energy of the solution on addition of solute. More the solute concentration of solution, more will be the pressure required to prevent water from diffusing in. Thus, more will be the osmotic pressure. Kelvin cycle or dark reaction of photosynthesis is a light independent reaction in which products of the light reaction are consumed. In which step of the Kelvin cycle these products are not consumed? Answer will be A. Carboxylation. Kelvin cycle or dark reaction of photosynthesis in which fixation of carbon dioxide occurs to form glucose. It occurs in three steps: carboxylation, reduction, and regeneration. In carboxylation, product of light reaction ATP and NADPH2 are not consumed. It is enzyme dependent process in which CO2 is trapped into organic form. All of the following structure of the human respiratory system contains incomplete cartilaginous rings except. Answer will be D. Distal bronchioles and terminal bronchioles. And the trachea, primary bronchi, secondary bronchi, tertiary bronchi and initial bronchioles are supported by incomplete cartilaginous ring. ये भी जो हमारा है repeated question है। Carbon dioxide is the major limiting factor for photosynthesis. With respect to this, choose the correct statement from the following. तो यहाँ पे करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट ये होगा, यहाँ पे क्रॉप लाइक टोमेटो एंड बेल पेपर use increased level of CO2 for higher productivity and are hence called greenhouse crops. The fact that C3 plants respond to higher CO2 concentration by showing increased rates of photosynthesis leading to higher productivity has been used for some greenhouse crops such as tomatoes and bell pepper. They are allowed to grow in a carbon dioxide enriched atmosphere that leads to higher yields. The current availability of CO2 levels is limiting to C3 plants. C4 plants show saturation at about 360 micro micro liter like micro per liter, while C3 responds to increased CO2 concentration and saturation is seen only beyond 450 microliter per liter. Increased in concentration up to 0.05 percent can cause an increase in CO2 fixation rates. The fact that C3 plants respond to higher CO2, ये हमारा हो गया था, आगे बढ़ते हैं। When one molecule of glucose undergoes oxidation in glycolysis, it produces. Answer will be A. Two molecules of pyruvic acid. Repeated question. Glucose is a 6-carbon compound and it undergoes oxidation in glycolysis to form two molecules of 6-carbon compounds called pyruvic acid. Glycolysis occurs in cytoplasm and the most common pathway is EMP pathway. Match column 1 with column 2. Okay. तो यहाँ पे ए है जॉन्डिस, बी काइलोमाइक्रोन्स, सक्कस इंटेरिकस और सिक्कम। तो ए का होगा सेकंड यानी जॉन्डिस का होगा डिपोजिशन ऑफ द बाइल पिगमेंट, बी का थर्ड यानी काइलोमाइक्रोन्स का प्रोटीन कोटेड फैट ग्लोब्यूल्स, सी का फोर सक्कस इंटेरिकस इंटेस्टाइनल जूस और डी का वन यानी सिक्कम A small blind sac hosts symbiont microbes. In jaundice, the liver is affected, skin and eyes turns yellow due to the deposition of the bile pigment. Chylomicrons are protein-coated fat globules. Succus entericus is another name of intestinal juice which contains a variety of enzymes. The cecum is a small blind sac of the large intestine which comprises of symbiotic bacteria which are beneficial for the host, that is humans. Which of the following is a 5-carbon compound formed during Krebs cycle in the matrix of the mitochondria? Answer will be C. Alpha ketoglutarate acid. During oxidation of pyruvic acid in matrix of mitochondria, different 5-carbon, 6-carbon and 4-carbon intermediates are formed. Alpha ketoglutarate acid 5-carbon intermediate which is formed during Krebs cycle in matrix of mitochondria. Question number 52. The RAS mechanism of kidney regulation, angiotensin second, increases the blood volume and blood pressure by, answer will be D, both A and B, यानी activating adrenal cortex to release aldosterone hormone or signaling renal tubule of nephron to reabsorb more NaCl and water. Angiotensin second is an octapeptide chemical and is one of the most potent vasoconstrictors which increases blood pressure and thus GFR by constricting the arterioles. It also stimulates the adrenal cortex to release aldosterone hormone. This aldosterone causes reabsorption of NaCl and water from renal tubules of the nephron. Taylor is heterozygous for two autosomal pair, capital C small c and capital D small d. He is also color blind. What is probability of gametes having C, D and color blind genes? Answer will be C, 1 by 8. The state of heart which when it is not pumping blood effectively enough to meet the needs of the body is called. Answer will be C, heart failure. Heart attack means when the heart muscle is suddenly damaged by an adequate blood supply. Heart block means when the action potential of heartbeat is not passed to the ventricles properly. Cardiac arrest means when the heart stops beating at all. Heart failure means the state of heart when it is not pumping blood effectively enough to meet the needs of the body. If it is sometimes called congestive heart failure because congestion of the lungs is one of the main symptoms of this disease. Heart failure is not the same as cardiac arrest when the heart stops beating or a heart attack when the heart muscle is suddenly damaged by an inadequate blood supply. What is the nature of the strands of the DNA duplex? Answer will be A. Anti-parallel and complementary. Complementary. The two strands of DNA are anti-parallel and complementary. One strand runs in 5 to 3 direction and other strand runs in 3 to 5 direction. The anti-parallel nature is for formation of hydrogen bonds between the nitrogen bases. The two strands are complementary. If sequence of one base is known, then other can be predicted following base pairing rule. Which of the following statements is false regarding the law of segregation? Answer will be यहाँ पे D है false. Else so blending and only one of the characters are recovered in F2. ये हमारा incorrect है, बाकी A, B और C जो है बिल्कुल सही है. Law of segregation is also called the law of purity of genes. Allele Alleles separate from each other during gametogenesis, or segregation of factors is due to the segregation of chromosome during meiosis. Inheritance of genetic trait is given in given pedigree chart is controlled by, answer will be A, autosomal recessive gene. Females and males are affected equally by traits transmitted by autosomal recessive inheritance. When two carriers mate, each child has 25% chance of being homozygous wild type unaffected, or 25% chance of being homozygous mutant affected, or a 50% chance of being heterozygous unaffected carrier. Read the following statements about the internal structure of human heart. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे कह रहा है Humans have a autoexcitable chambered muscular and myogenic heart. Okay. Second यहाँ पे है the heart is mesodermal is in origin and is present symmetrically between two lungs in the thoracic cavity. Third यहाँ पे है the opening between the right atrium and the ventricle is guarded by right atrium and left ventricle is guarded by a tricuspid valve. 4. Only the sinoatrial node of the heart has the ability to generate action potentials without any external stimuli. How many statements is are incorrect from the above? तो आंसर यहाँ पे बी है। यहाँ पे 3 स्टेटमेंट जो है यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट हैं। तो यहाँ पे हमारा फर्स्ट जो स्टेटमेंट है यहाँ पे सही है, बाकी सेकंड, थर्ड और फोर्थ जो स्टेटमेंट है वो गलत हो जाएगा, इसलिए हमारा आंसर होगा बी। 3 स्टेटमेंट्स आर इनकरेक्ट। हार्ट इज मेजोडर्मल इन ऑरिजिन एंड इज प्रेजेंट एसिमेट्रिकली। ओके, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में सिमेट्रिकली था तो वो गलत होगा। एसिमेट्रिकली बिटवीन टू लंग्स इन द थोरेसिक कैविटी। द ओपनिंग बिटवीन द राइट एट्रियम एंड राइट वेंट्रिकल इज गार्डेड बाय ट्राइकस्पिड वाल्व। इसका हमने ट्रिक भी बताया था। ट्राइकस्पिड में आर आई छूटा हुआ, यानी राइट 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 जो है वो छुपा हुआ है। ट्राइकस्पिड यानी राइट वेंट्रिकल एंड राइट एट्रियम। वेयर एज बिटवीन लेफ्ट एट्रियम एंड लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल इज गार्डेड बाय bicuspid और mitral valves। ओके। और थर्ड यहाँ पे है द इंटायर नोडल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द हार्ट हैज द एबिलिटी टू generate external potential without any external stimuli. This includes SAN, AVN, AV bundle, etc. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में जो था ओनली SA नोड है, तो ओनली यहाँ पे नहीं होंगे, तीनों यहाँ पे आएंगे। यहाँ पे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स हो तो फिल रीड कर लेंगे। एंडेमिक स्पीसीज इज डिफाइंड एज एन इकोलॉजिकल स्टेट ऑफ स्पीसीज बीइंग यूनिक टू अ स्पेसिफिक जियोग्राफिकल लोकेशन। ये भी हमारा क्वेश्चन जो है रिपीटेड है, पहले एनटीए मॉक टेस्ट में आ चुका है। स्पीसीज विच इज लोकेटेड टू अ स्पेसिफिक जियोग्राफिक एरिया और लोकेशन इज कॉल्ड एज एंडेमिक स्पीसीज। स्पीसीज विच इज ब्राउड फ्रॉम अदर जियोग्राफिकल इज कॉल्ड एज एंडेमिक स्पीसीज। The protein hemoglobin is found in humans can be described having a quaternary structure. Okay, repeated question ये भी है। When a protein is made up of two or more than two polypeptide held together variously, then it forms quaternary structure. Protein hemoglobin has quaternary structure as it made up of four polypeptide or subunits. The two of these are identical to each other, hence two subunits of alpha type and two subunits of beta type together constitute the human hemoglobin molecule. Which of the following compound present in the blood is associated with immunity response? Answer will be A. Gamma globulin protein. Gamma globulin plasma protein of blood helps in the synthesis of antibodies or immunoglobulin molecules, which binds and destroy the harmful antigens, therefore provide antibody mediated immunity. Which of the following is used as a substrate for the production of ethyl alcohol यानी CH2 CH3CH2OH? Answer will be malted cereals. Microbes, especially yeasts, are used for the production of beverages like wine, beer, whiskey, brandy, or rum. For this purpose, the yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae, commonly called brewer's yeast, is used for fermenting malted cereals and fruit juices to produce ethanol. During the synthesis phase, if the initial amount of DNA in the cell is 15 ng, then after the uh, synthesis phase, the amount of DNA in the cell will be, answer will be B, 30 nanogram. During the S phase of the cell cycle, DNA replication takes place and the quantity of DNA becomes double than the initial amount. If the initial amount of DNA is 50 nanogram, then it increases to 30 nanogram during S phase when DNA replication occurs. The set of hormones which lead to the formation of secondary messengers like cyclic AMP during their mode of action is, answer will be A, LH, FSH and ACTH. All water-soluble hormones must bind to the specific membrane-bound or extracellular receptors on target cells. This results in the formation of the hormone receptor complex. Hormones which interact with membrane-bound receptors normally do not enter the target cell but generate second messengers, example cyclic AMP, IP3, calcium plus plus etc., which in turn regulate cellular metabolism, example peptide, polypeptide, protein hormones, example insulin, glucagon, pituitary hormones, hypothalamic hormones, etc. Read the following statements and select the correct option. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे कह रहा है जिम्नोस्पर्म डू नॉट शो जीरोफाइटिक कैरेक्टर, तो ये हमारा गलत हो जाएगा। सेकेंड यहाँ पे कह रहा है इन साइकस कैरोलॉइड रूट्स आर एसोसिएटेड विथ फंजाई, ओके, तो ये भी हमारा जो है गलत होगा, पाइनस से एसोसिएटेड होते हैं। सी यहाँ पे कह रहा है ऑल जिम्नोस्पर्म्स आर हेट्रोस्पोरस, बिल्कुल सही है। इन कॉनिफर्स नीली लाइक लिप्स रिड्यूस द सरफेस एरिया, ये भी बिल्कुल सही है। हाउ मेनी स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट, आंसर विल बी सी एंड डी आर यहाँ पे करेक्ट हैं। जिम्नोस्पर्म्स grows in the temperate snow covered area which is physiologically dry, thus they show xerophytic adaptations. In cycas coralloid roots are associated with blue green algae. All gymnosperms are heterosporous as they produce two types of spores, smaller microspores and larger megaspores. In conifers, leaves are modified into pointed needles to reduce surface area. Which of the following pairs of hormones are antagonistic in action? Answer will be D, all of these. यानी कि calcitonin and parathormone, somatostatin and GnRH, adrenaline and इंसुलिन, ओके, ये सारे जो हैं आपस में एंटागोनिस्टिक हैं। Calcitonin decreases blood calcium levels, hypocalcemic effect, whereas parathormone increases blood calcium levels, hypercalcemic effect. Insulin hormone decreases blood glucose level, anti-diabetogenic, whereas glucagon, cortisol, and adrenal hormone increase blood glucose level, diabetogenic. Somatostatin is a hypothalamic hormone, inhibits production of somatotropin or growth hormone from anterior pituitary, while GnRH stimulates production of growth hormone. Which of the following algae is used to prepare culture medium to grow microbe? Answer will be A, Gelidium. Porphyra, laminaria, and sargassum are among the 70 species of marine algae which used as food. Certain marine brown and red algae produce large amounts of hydrocolloids, water-holding substance, example algine, brown algae, and carrageenan, red algae, which are used commercially. Agar, one of the commercial products obtained from Gallerium and Gracilaria, are used to grow microbes and in preparation of ice creams and jellies. Chlorella, unicellular alga rich in proteins, is used as food supplement even by space travelers. How many plants in the list given below are wind pollinated plants? Okay, तो यहाँ पे आंसर होगा सी, फोर जो यहाँ पे प्लांट्स हैं वो विंड पोलिनेटेड प्लांट हैं। प्लांट्स लाइक कोकोनट, बम्बू, wheat and rice are pollinated by wind or air. Vallisneria is pollinated by water. Oophilus or Amorphophilus and Yucca are pollinated by insects. Camelina is self-pollinated plants and does not require pollinators. मैच द कॉलम एसिडिक, बेसिक, न्यूट्रल और एरोमेटिक। तो यहाँ पे एसिडिक ए का होगा 3, यानी ग्लूटामिक एसिड जो है एसिडिक होंगे, नाम से ही पता चलता है कि एसिडिक होंगे। बेसिक में यहाँ आ जाएंगे 2, यानी लाइसिन जो है बेसिक एमिनो एसिड हैं। न्यूट्रल में यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे 1, यानी वैलिन। और एरोमेटिक में आ जाएंगे 4, यानी फिनाइल एलानिन। फिनाइल से ही ये यहाँ पे समझ में आ रहा है कि एरोमेटिक होगा। ओके, एमिनो एसिड्स आर classified as acidic, basic, or neutral depending upon the relative number of amino and carboxyl group in their molecule. Equal number of amino and carboxyl groups makes it neutral. Example valine, glycine, etc. More number of amino group than carboxyl groups make it basic. Example lysine, arginine, and histidine. And more carboxyl groups as compared to amino groups makes it acidic. Example aspartic acid, glutamic acid, If the side chain comprise of aromatic ring, it is called aromatic amino acid. Example: phenylalanine, tyrosine, and tryptophan. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं 17 नंबर. फाइंड द ऑड वन आउट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द मोड ऑफ केमिकल सिक्रेशन. आंसर यहाँ पे डी होंगे, मेमरी ग्लैंड. बाकी पीनियल ग्लैंड, पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड और थायराइड ग्लैंड जो है वो हमारे इंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड है, और मेमरी ग्लैंड एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड है. द ह्यूमन इंडोक्राइन सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ वेरियस इंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स एंड इट्स स्पेसिफिक केमिकल secretions called hormones. Endocrine glands secrete chemical messengers hormones directly into the blood. Mammary gland is exocrine in nature. The gametes of female determines the sex of a child in. Answer will be D, peacock. जितने भी बर्ड्स है उसमें फीमेल जो डिटरमाइन करते हैं सेक्स ऑफ चाइल्ड. ओके. ZW type of sex determination is present in birds in which female is heterogametic having ZW chromosome and male is homogametic having ZZ chromosome. The sex of the progeny is determined by the gamete from female parent. Select the option which describes the correct matching between bones and examples mentioned below. ओके. तो फर्स्ट यहाँ पे कर स्कल बोन, फेशियल बोन, क्रेनियल बोन्स और हाइवाइड बिल्कुल सही है. सेकंड यहाँ एक्जियल कर रहा है, एक्जियल में स्टर्नम, रिब्स एंड क्लेविकल, तो ये हमारा गलत हो जाएगा. थर्ड यहाँ पे कर रहा है लॉन्ग बोन्स में ह्यूमरस और फीमर आते हैं, बिल्कुल सही है. फोर यहाँ पे है गर्डल में स्कैपुला एंड कॉक्जल आते हैं, बिल्कुल यहाँ पे सही है. ओके. तो यहाँ पे थर्ड, यहाँ सेकंड यहाँ पे गलत होगा, बाकी फर्स्ट थर्ड और फोर्थ जो है सही होगा. Axial skeleton comprises 80 bones distributed along the main axis of the body. The skull, vertebral column, sternum, and ribs constitute axial skeleton. The skull is composed of two sets of bones, cranial and facial, that totals of 22 bones. Cranial bones are 8 in number. They form the hard protective outer covering cranium for the brain. The facial region is made up of 14 skeletal elements which form the front part of the skull. A single U-shaped bone called hyoid is present at the base of the buccal cavity, and it is also included in the skull. Each half of a pectoral girdle consists of a clavicle and a scapula. Pelvic girdle consists of two caudal bones. Each caudal bone is formed by the fusion of three bones, ilium, ischium, and pubis. Long bones are humerus, femur, tibia, fibula, and radius and ulna. Find the true statements from the following. True statement यहाँ पे B होंगे. Some bacterial cell may have copy number of plasmid that varies from 15 to 100. ORI means the origin of replication. It is the site where the process of replication starts. Vectors should have only one restriction site for commonly used restriction enzyme, but many sites for different enzymes. It should contain a selectable marker for selection of recombinants from non-recombinants. If alien DNA is introduced using PST1 in PBR332, then transformant will grow on. Answer will be B, tetracycline. Tetracycline resistance gene is PBR332 can be cleaved by BAM1 and SAL1, while ampicillin resistance gene is in PBR332 is cleaved by PST1 and PBU1. If foreign DNA segment is inserted in PST1 site, then ampicillin resistance gene become inactive due to insertion inactivation, and transformant can be grown on tetracycline containing medium. A common collagenous connective tissue layer which hold the number of muscle bundle of skeletal muscle is called. Answer will be A, fascia. Each organized skeletal muscle in our body is made of a number of muscle bundles or fascicles held together by a common collagenous connective tissue layer called fascia. Endomysium is connective tissue covering around each muscle fiber. Each fasciculus is surrounded by connective tissue cover called perimysium. The enzyme ADA that is crucial for the immune system to function is abbreviated as. Answer will be B, adenosine deaminase. Adenosine deaminase is the enzyme that is necessary for the immune system to function, and deficiency of this enzyme results in disease called SCIDS, severe combined immune deficiency syndrome. First gene therapy was given to 4-year-old girl suffering from ADA deficiency. A group of individuals from different species living in the same habitat and exhibiting functional interactions is called. Answer will be A. Biotic community. A group of individuals of same species living in habitat forms a population, and group of different population living in same habitat and exhibiting functional interactions form a biotic community. Group of different population together forms a community. Read the following statements about the nervous system. First यहाँ पे कह रहा है the neural organization in hydra is composed of network of neurons. Second यहाँ पे a neuron of macroscopic structure composed of three major parts. Third, Nigel's granules are present in dendrites and cell body. The axon transmits nerve impulse towards the cell body. Okay, how many from the above statements are correct? तो यहाँ पे जो थर्ड है न्यूरॉन इज माइक्रोस्कोपिक स्कोपिक नहीं माइक्रोस्कोपिक होते हैं, तो ये हमारा इनकरेक्ट हो जाएगा। और फोर यहाँ कह रहा है द एक्सोन ट्रांसमिट द नर्व इम्पल्सेस टुवार्ड्स द सेल बॉडी, और सेल बॉडी के टुवार्ड्स नहीं होते हैं, इसलिए हमारा गलत हो जाएगा। तो सेकेंड और फोर यहाँ पे गलत है, फर्स्ट और थर्ड बिल्कुल सही है, इसलिए आंसर होगा सी, यानी टू स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट। A neuron is a microscopic structure composed of three major parts, namely cell body, dendrites, and axon. The axon transmit nerve impulse away from the cell body and towards the axon terminal to a synapse or to a neuromuscular junction. Select the correct option. Okay. A. Synapses centromere split, the action of enzyme recombinase, और centromere do not split. तो A का होगा सेकेंड यानी सिनेप्सिस का होगा जाइगोटीन, बी का थर्ड यानी सेंट्रोमियर स्प्लिट का बी का थ्री यानी एनाफेज सेकेंड, सी यानी द सेक्शन ऑफ इंजाइम रिकमेंडेंस का होगा फर्स्ट यानी पैकेटिन, और डी का फोर यानी कि सेंट्रोमियर्स डू नॉट स्प्लिट का फोर यानी एनाफेज फर्स्ट। Synapsis is the pairing of the homologous chromosome which occurs during zygote. The centromere split and sister chromatids move to opposite pole during anaphase second. Recombinase enzyme carries out recombination or crossing over during packaging of prophase first. Centromere does not split during anaphase first, and disjunction of chromosomal pair occurs. In the given structure of the human brain below, how many structures are associated with the forebrain of human? Okay, तो आंसर है हम यहाँ पर बी होगा। फोर जो इसमें जो है वो हमारे एसोसिएटेड विद फोर ब्रेन है, यानी फोर ब्रेन कंटेन्स सेरेब्रम जिसे सेरेब्रल कॉर्टेक्स कहते हैं, थैलेमस, हाइपोथैलेमस, लिम्बिक सिस्टम, सेरेब्रल हेमिस्फीयर और कॉर्पस कैलोजम एक्सेट्रा। ओके, the midbrain is located between the thalamus, hypothalamus of the forebrain and pons of the hindbrain. A canal called the cerebral aqueduct passes through the midbrain. The dorsal portion of the midbrain consists mainly of four round swelling lobes called corpora quadrigemina. The hindbrain comprises pons, cerebellum, and medulla, also called the medulla oblongata. 81 question number. चूज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग। यहाँ पे करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट होगा सी, डायोसियस ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर सीन इन बोथ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स। When male and female sex organs develops in different individuals, then the organism is called as dioecious. Dioecious condition is more common in animals, but it is also seen in plants. When male and female flowers are developed in different plants, as in papaya and date palm. Arrange the following layers of microsporangium according to their presence from inside to outside. ओके, आंसर हमारे यहाँ पे डी होंगे। सबसे जो होंगे आउटसाइड यहाँ पे वो डी होंगे यानी इपिडर्मिस, देन ए यानी इंडोथेसियम, देन बी मिडिल लेयर, उसके बाद लास्ट होंगे सी यानी टैपेटम। The microsporangia is circular in outline and is surrounded by four-layered walls. Outermost epidermis, which is protective in function. Next to it is endothelium, which helps in dehiscence of sporangia. The middle layer and the innermost tapetum, which is nutritive layer and provides nutrition to developing microspore. रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट द कॉकरोच एंड सेलेक्ट द ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट यहाँ पे करा है, फोर विंग्स मिजोथोरैसिक कॉल्ड टेगमिना आर ओपेक डार्क एंड लेदरी एंड कवर द हिंड विंग। ओके, तो ये हमारा बिल्कुल सही है। सेकंड यहाँ पे करा है, हेड इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द फ्यूजन ऑफ 8 सेगमेंट्स एंड शोज लिटिल मोबिलिटी, तो ये हमारा बिल्कुल गलत है। थर्ड यहाँ पे करा है, जेनाइटल पाउच इज इन मेल इज फॉर्म्ड बाय नाइन्थ एंड टेंथ दर्गा एंड नाइन्थ स्टर्नम, तो ये हमारा बिल्कुल सही होगा। ओके, head is triangular in shape and lies anteriorly at right angles to the longitudinal body axis. It is formed by the fusion of 6 segments and shows great mobility in all directions due to flexible neck. The first pair of wings arises from mesothorax and the second pair from metathorax. Four wings mesothoracic called tegmina are opaque, dark and leathery and cover the hind wings when at rest. The hind wings are transparent, membranous and are used in flight. In males, genital pouch or chamber lies at the hind end of abdomen, bounded dorsally by ninth and 10th terga and ventrally by ninth sternum. चूज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग। ओके, तो यहाँ पे करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे सी होंगे। द सेल्स लोकेटेड एट चलाजल एंड्स ऑफ एम्ब्रियो सैक आर कॉल्ड एज एंटीपोडल्स। एम्ब्रियो सैक इज female gametophyte of angiosperm which is formed by mitosis in megaspore which is formed by reductional division in megaspore mother cell. Megaspore undergoes three mitosis to form most common type of embryo sac which is a seven-celled and eight-nucleated structure. Embryo sac consists of three cells towards chalazial end known as antipodals, large cell in center known as central cell, and egg apparatus towards micropylar end having one egg cell and two synergids. Synergids consist of filiform apparatus. Question number 85. How many plants have gynoecium that is bicarpellary, obligately placed and syncarpous with placenta swollen with many ovules? Answer will be A 4. Okay. In Solanaceae family, gynoecium is the bicarpellary obligately placed syncarpous ovary superior bilocular placenta swollen with many ovules. Example placentation example होंगे टोमेटो, ब्रिंजल, पोटैटो, चिल्ली, बेलाडोना, अश्वगंधा, टोबैको और यहाँ पे होंगे पेटूनिया एक्सेट्रा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 86, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इनकरेक्ट रिगार्डिंग कंपाउंड इपिथेलियम। तो यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट है, यहाँ पे डी दे प्ले अ वाइटल रोल इन सिक्रेशन एंड एब्जॉर्प्शन, ये हमारा बिल्कुल गलत है। बाकी ए बी और सी जो है वो कंपाउंड इपिथेलियम के लिए बिल्कुल सही है। मल्टी लेयर्ड विथ नो स्ट्रेचेबिलिटी, कवर द मॉइस्ट सरफेस ऑफ बकल कैविटी एंड फेरिंग्स, प्रोवाइड प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट केमिकल एंड मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेस, तो ये हमारा जो क्वेश्चन रिपीटेड है, पहले भी आ चुका है। सेलेक्ट द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट अबाउट फोटो पेरियोडिज्म, तो फोटो पेरियोडिज्म पर वीडियो हमारा बन चुका है, तो आप हमारे चैनल पर देख सकते हैं। बाकी यहाँ पे आंसर यहाँ पे सी होंगे। यहाँ पे जो है इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है सी, द हाइपोथेसाइज्ड हार्मोनल सब्सटेंस माइग्रेट फ्रॉम सूट एपिसेस टू लीव्स फॉर इंड्यूसिंग फ्लावरिंग, ये हमारा गलत है। बाकी ए बी और डी जो है बिल्कुल सही है। द साइट ऑफ perception of light dark duration are the leaves. The flowering is in certain plants depends not only on a combination of light and dark exposure but also their relative duration, or shoot episodes modify themselves into flowering episodes prior to flowering. The response of plants to periods of day-night is termed photoperiodism. It has been hypothesized that there is a hormonal substance that is responsible for flowering. This hormonal substance migrates from leaves to shoot apices for inducing flowering only when the plants are exposed to the necessary inductive period, photoperiod. The appearance of brown spots surrounded by chlorotic veins is the prominent symptom of answer will be D manganese toxicity. The prominent symptoms of manganese toxicity is the appearance of brown spots surrounded by chlorotic veins. Manganese competes with iron and magnesium for uptake and with magnesium for binding with enzymes. It also inhibits calcium translocation to suit apex. Find out the correct match from the following table and select the option with all the correct one. Okay, तो द नेशनल फॉरेस्ट पॉलिसी 1981, यहाँ पे गलत होगा. मॉन्ट्रियल प्रोटोकॉल 1987 बिल्कुल सही है. द वाटर प्रिवेंशन एंड कंट्रोल ऑफ पॉपुलेशन एक्ट 1974, ये भी बिल्कुल सही है. द एयर प्रिवेंशन एंड कंट्रोल ऑफ पॉपुलेशन एक्ट 1986, तो ये हमारा जो है गलत होगा. सेकेंड और थर्ड यहाँ पे सही है. इसका भी हमने ट्रिक बना रखा है. इन्वायरमेंटल इशू ईयर ईयर ट्रिक लिखकर आप अगर सर्च करेंगे यूट्यूब पर तो आपको मिल जाएगा. नेशनल फॉरेस्ट पॉलिसी 1988 of India has recommended 33% forest cover for the plains and 67% for the hills. Realizing the importance of maintaining the cleanliness of the water bodies, the Government of India has passed the Water Prevention and Control of Population Act 1974 in India. The Air Prevention and Control of Population Act came into force in 1981 but amended in 1987 to include noise as a pollutant, recognizing the deleterious effect of ozone depletion. And international treaty known as the Montreal Protocol was signed in Montreal, Canada in 1987, effective in 1989 to control the emission of ozone depleting substances. लास्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा बायो का है. मैच द कॉलम एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. लिफ टेंड्रिल, लिफ स्पाइन, लिफ स्टेम टेंड्रिल और स्टेम थॉर्ड. तो फर्स्ट का होगा सेकेंड यानी लिफ टेंड्रिल का होगा पी. टू का फर्स्ट यानी लीफ स्पाइन का होगा कैक्टस. थ्री का फोर यानी स्टेम टेंड्रिल का गॉड्स में होते हैं. और फोर का थर्ड यानी स्टेम थॉर्न होते हैं. फोर्थ का थर्ड यानी बॉगनविलिया में, बॉगनविलिया. ओके, तो ये सारे थे हमारे बायो के क्वेश्चंस. अब आते हैं केमिस्ट्री में. वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना और जो चैनल पे नए हैं तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर देना क्योंकि ऐसे ही वीडियो आते रहेंगे सारे मॉक टेस्ट के. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट यहाँ पे केमिस्ट्री का है. विच स्टेटमेंट अबाउट हाइब्रिडाइजेशन इन द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्ट. तो यहाँ पे आंसर डी होगा. sp3 डी हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स आर ऑल एट वन एट 90 डिग्री टू वन अनदर. तो ये हमारा गलत है. बाकी ए बी और सी जो है बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. हाइब्रिडेशन इज द मिक्सिंग ऑफ एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स prior to their combining into molecular orbitals. sp2 hybrid orbitals are formed from 2p atomic orbitals and 1 s atomic orbitals. or d2 sp3 hybrid orbitals are directed towards the corners of a regular octahedron. Okay, which is the correct order for increasing the energy of subcells. आंसर यहाँ पे बी होगा 5d, देन 4f, उसके बाद 6s, सबसे कम होगा 5p. which is the correct formula for alum. Answer will be a K2SO4 Al2SO4 whole thrice dot 24H2O. Which of the following statement is not true for the long form of periodic table? Answer will be B. It helps to predict the stable oxidation state of the element. ये हमारा जो है नॉट ट्रू है. बाकी ए सी और डी यहाँ पे करेक्ट हैं. इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स द सीक्वेंस ऑफ फिलिंग द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन ऑर्डर ऑफ सब एनर्जी लेवल्स एस पी डी एंड एफ. It reflects trends in physical and chemical properties of the elements, or it helps to predict the relative ionicity of the bonds between any two elements. If for a binary weak electrolyte the solubility product is 4 into 10 to the minus 10 at 298 Kelvin, calculate its solubility in mole per dm cube at the same temperature. Answer will be B, 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. Which is correct about structure of silicon dioxide? Answer will be A. Each silicon atom is surrounded by 4 oxygen atoms and each oxygen atom is bounded to 2 silicon atoms. When iodine is passed through aqueous solution of NaF, NaBr and NaCl, यहाँ पे करेक्ट कौन सा होगा? आंसर यहाँ पे डी होगा. नन ऑफ दिस यहाँ पे कोई भी यहाँ पे करेक्ट नहीं है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. The rate of reaction is doubled for every 10 degrees Celsius rise in temperature. The increase in reaction rate as a result of temperature rise from 10 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. The answer will be B, 512. The order of living group ability in the following group is. आंसर यहाँ पे बी होगा सबसे ज़्यादा 4, यानी OSO2 CF3, देन थर्ड यानी OSO2 Me, उसके बाद फर्स्ट यानी OSC, और सबसे लास्ट होगा सेकंड यानी OMe. Phenol gives characteristics coloration with, answer will be C, neutral FeCl3 solution. Which one of the following polymer is used to make non-stick cookware? Answer C, polytetrafluoroethylene. In Wolff-Kishner reduction, the carbonyl group of aldehyde and ketone is converted to, answer will be A, CH2 group. Among the following outer electronic configuration of atoms, which atom can have the highest oxidation state? Answer D, N-1 D5 NH2. Froth flotation method is best used for concentrated of which of the following ore? Answer will be A, galena. The correct unit cell dimensions for tetragonal crystal system is, answer will be A equal to B is not equal to C, and alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. For the feasibility of a redox reaction in a cell, its EMF should be, answer will be A, positive. Which of the following statements is incorrect about resonance? आंसर यहाँ पे incorrect होगा C, in resonance structure there should not be the same number of electron pairs, ये हमारा incorrect है. बाकी A, B और D जो है बिल्कुल correct हैं. Resonance structures should have equal energy. In resonance structures the constituent atoms should be in the same position, or resonance structures should differ only in the location of electrons around the constituent atoms. Salts of calcium 2 plus and magnesium 2 plus causes the hardness of water. Which among the following compound is not an organometallic compound? Answer will be C, sodium ethoxide. The order of given reaction H2 plus Cl2 gives sunlight 2 HCl each. Answer will be D, 0. Calculate the cell constant if the specific conductance of a solution is 0.2 ohm per ohm per centimeter and its conductivity 0.04 ohm per ohm. Answer will be C, 5 per centimeter. What is the oxidation state of iron in brown ring complex compound FeH2O whole 5NOSO4? Answer will be A, 1. The order of colligative property for 0.1 m solution of the following is, answer will be A, B. सबसे ज़्यादा Na3PO4, then Na2SO4, सबसे लास्ट में होगा NaCl. Calculate the temperature at which the RMS velocity of SO2 becomes equal to that of O2 at 303 Kelvin. Answer will be B, 606 Kelvin. Which is the correct characteristics of catalyst? Answer will be C, participates in the reaction and provides easier pathway for the same. What is correct about the dehydrohalogenation of an alkyl halide? Answer will be C, an elimination reaction. Which is incorrect statement in the following? Answer A, alpha rays have more penetrating power than beta rays. Which reagent can forms crystalline oxazone derivative with glucose? Answer will be B, phenyl hydrazine. Cyanohydrin of which of the following compound can form lactic acid? Answer B, CH3CHO. Which are the monomers used in the production of nylon 66? Answer C, adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. Which compound can be used to prepare azo dyes? Answer A, aniline. Which colorless gas have the smell of rotten fish? Answer will be B, phosphine PH3. What is verdigris? Verdigris. Answer will be A, basic copper acetate. ZnSO4 CuSO4 Cu is a Daniell cell. The EMF of this cell at 298 Kelvin is E1. When the concentration of ZnSO4 changes to 1 m and that of CuSO4 is 0.01 m. The EMF changes to E2. What is the relationship between E1 and E2? Answer will be B. E1 is greater than E2. Which of the following transition elements exhibits the lowest melting point and boiling point? Answer will be BHG. Calculate the value of equilibrium constant when 2 moles of PCl5 is heated in a closed vessel of 2-liter capacity at equilibrium. 40% of PCl5 is dissociated into PCl3 and Cl2. Answer will be A, 0.266. Arrange below given compounds in order of increasing dipole moment. तो आंसर होगा हमारा बी होगा सबसे ज़्यादा थर्ड, यानी ऑर्थो डाइक्लोरोबेंजीन, इसके बाद सेकंड यानी मेटा डाइक्लोरोबेंजीन, देन फर्स्ट टोल्यून और लास्ट में फोर होंगे पैरा डाइक्लोरोबेंजीन। 38. The orbital angular momentum of an electron in 2s orbital is, answer will be D, 0. Which among the following is a tribasic acid? Answer D, citric acid. Calculate the empirical formula of an organic compound which contains carbon 74%, hydrogen 8.65 or nitrogen 17.3%. Answer will be C, C5H7 or N. Arrange the given acids in the decreasing order of their acidity. First H2SO3, second H3PO3 and HClO3. आंसर होगा D. सबसे ज़्यादा यहाँ पे होंगे HClO3, then H2SO3, लास्ट में होगा सेकंड यानी H3PO3. Which is correct according to the collision theory of chemical reactions? Answer will be B. Rate is directly proportional to the number of collisions per second. Which is the incorrect statements from 1 liter sample of N2 gas and CO2 gas at 298 Kelvin and 1 atm pressure? Answer will be B. The RMS speed remains same for both N2 and CO2. Which impurity having the following number of valence electrons should be added to silicon to get a N-type semiconductor? Answer will be D, 5. Which is obtained when chloroform is treated with Kong HNO3? Answer B, CCl3NO2. ओके, तो ये सारे हमारे थे केमिस्ट्री क्वेश्चंस। वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, जो नए व्यूअर्स है प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना। आते हैं फिजिक्स में, क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट यहाँ पे है, इफ प्रोटोन एंड अल्फा पार्टिकल आर एक्सेलरेटेड बाय द सेम potential v, then the ratio of their wavelength lambda p is to lambda alpha will be, answer will be a 2:1. Two energy levels of an electron in an atom are separated by 2.3 electron volt. The frequency of radiation emitted when the electrons go from higher to lower level is, answer will be C, 5.6 into 10 to the power 14 Hz. A man stands at one end of a boat which is stationary in water. Neglect water resistance. The man now moves to the other end of the boat and again becomes stationary. The center of mass of the man plus boat system will remain stationary with respect to water will be, answer will be A in all cases, yani only when the man is stationary initially and finally only if the man moves without acceleration on the boat, or only if the man and the boat have equal masses. Three blocks of masses m, a small m, capital M are kept on a frictionless floor as shown in the figure. The leftmost block is given velocity v towards the right. All the collisions between the blocks are perfectly inelastic. The loss in kinetic energy after all the collisions is 5 by 6 of the initial kinetic energy. The ratio of capital M by small m will be, answer will be D, 4. An aircraft executes a horizontal loop of the radius 1 km with a steady speed of 900 km per hour. Find the ratio of its centripetal acceleration with the acceleration due to gravity. Answer will be B, 6 and 4, 6.4. A paramagnetic substance of susceptibility 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 is placed in a magnetic field of 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 ampere per meter. Then the intensity of magnetization in Units of ampere per meter is. Answer will be A, 9 into 10 to power minus 8. For what value of R in the circuit as shown, current passing through 4 ohm resistance will be 0. Answer will be A, 1 ohm. When two resistances R1 and R2 are connected in series, they consume 12 watt powers. When they are connected in parallel, they consume 50 watt powers. What is the ratio of the powers of R1 and R2? Answer will be C, 3 by 2. Two balls with charges 5 microcoulomb and 10 microcoulomb are at a distance of 1 meter from each other. In order to reduce the distance between them to 0.5 meter, the amount of work to be performed is. Answer will be D, 0.45 joule. The electric field intensity at all points is same is given by E equal to under root 3 I cap minus J cap volts per meter. A square frame ALMNO of a side 1 meter is shown in the figure. The point N lies in XY plane. The angle between the line N and the x-axis is theta equal to 60 degree. Then the flux of the electric field through frame is. Answer will be C, 2 voltmeter. Two identical wires A and B have the same length L and carry the same current I. Wire A is bent into a circle of radius R and wire B is bent to form a square of side A. If B1 and B2 are the value of magnetic induction at the center of the circle and at the center of the square respectively, then the ratio B1 by B2 is. Answer will be pi square by 8 root 2. In a series LCR circuit, resistance R equal to 10 ohm and the impedance Z equal to 10 ohm. The phase difference between the current and the voltage answer will be a 0 degree. A satellite moves around the Earth in a circular orbit of radius r, making one revolution per day. A second satellite moving in a circular orbit moves around the Earth once in 8 days. The radius of the orbit of the second satellite is. Answer will be B4R. Two spheres of masses m and capital M are situated in air and the gravitational force between them is capital F. The space around the masses is now filled with a liquid of specific gravity 3. The gravitational force will now be. Answer will be B, F. Two solid spheres of radii R1 and R2 are made of the same material and have similar surfaces. These are raised to the same temperature and then allowed to cool under identical conditions. The ratio of their initial rates of loss of heat is. Answer will be C, R1 square by R2 square. An ideal gas is found to obey an additional law Vp square equal to constant. The gas is initially at temperature T and volume V. When it expands to volume 2V, the temperature becomes. Answer will be A, under root 2T. 1 mole of an ideal diatomic gas undergoes a transition from A to B along a path AB as shown in the figure. The charge in internal energy of the gas during the transition is. Answer will be B, minus 20 kilojoule. A long wire carries a steady current. It is bent into a circle of one turn and the magnetic field at the center of the coil is B. It is then bent into a circular loop of the n turns. The magnetic field at the center of coil will be. Answer will be B n square B. A long solenoid with 40 turns per centimeter carries a current of 1 ampere. The magnetic energy stored per unit volume is. Answer will be A, 3.2 pi joule meter per meter cube. A particle starts its motion from rest under the action of a constant force if the distance covered in first 10 seconds is s1 and that covered in the first 20 seconds is s2, then answer will be B, s2 equal to 4s1. A body is projected with an initial velocity of 8 I cap plus 6 j cap meter per second. The horizontal range is g equal to 10 meter per second square. Answer will be A, 9.6 meter. Consider a car moving along a straight horizontal road with a speed of 72 km per hour. If the coefficient of static friction between the tires and the road is 0.5, the shortest distance in which the car can be stopped is taking g equal to 10 meter per second square. Answer will be C, 40 meter. Spring balance is attached to the ceiling of a lift. A man hangs his bag on the spring and the spring reads 49 Newton. If the lift is stationary, if the lift moves downwards with acceleration of 5 meter per second square, the reading of the spring balance will be answer will be B 24 Newton. The binding energy per nucleon in deuterium and helium nuclei are 1.1 megaelectron volt and 7.0 megaelectron volt respectively. When two deuterium nuclei fuse to form a helium nucleus, the energy released in the fusion is answer will be A 23.6 megaelectron volt. Which of the following statement is true for carbon 14 6, nitrogen 15 7, and oxygen 16 8? Answer will be C. They have equal number of neutrons. The displacement x in meter of a particle in simple harmonic motion is related to time t in seconds as x equal to 0.01 cos pi t plus pi by 4. The frequency of the motion will be answer will be a 0.5 hertz. A simple pendulum 4 meter long swings with an amplitude of 0.2 meter. The acceleration at the ends of its path is g equal to 10 meter per second square. Answer will be c 0.5 meter per second square. Electrons are accelerated through a potential difference V and protons are accelerated through a potential difference of 4 volt. The de Broglie wavelengths are lambda E and lambda P for electrons and protons respectively. The ratio of lambda E by lambda P is given by given m is the mass of electron and mp is the mass of proton. Answer will be D. Lambda E by lambda P equal to 2 under root mp by me. A metal surface is illuminated by a light of a given intensity and frequency to cause photoemission. If the intensity of illumination is reduced to one-fourth of its original value, then the maximum kinetic energy of the emitted photoelectrons would become. Answer will be D, unchanged. Two tubes A and B are in series. The radius of A is r and that of B is 2r. If water flows through A with velocity v, then the velocity of water through B is. Answer will be C, v by 4. A water pump rated 400 watt has an efficiency of 75%. If it is employed to raise water through a height of 40 meter, the volume of water drawn in 10 minutes is. Answer will be A 0.45 meter cube. A ray of light suffers a minimum deviation when incident on a equilateral prism of refractive index under root 2. The angle of deviation is. Answer will be A 30 degree. An astronomical telescope has a large aperture too. Answer will be have high resolution. A solid cylinder rolls down from an inclined plane of height h. What is the velocity of the cylinder when it reaches at the bottom of the plane? Answer will be C under root 4gh by 3. The diameter of a flywheel is increased by 1% increase in its moment of inertia about the central axis. Answer will be C 2%. A charge of 8 milliampere in the emitter current brings a change of 8 milliampere in the emitter current brings a change of 7.9 milliampere in the collector current. The values of alpha and beta are. Answer will be D 0.99 and 79. A common emitter amplifier has a voltage gain of 50 and input impedance of 100 ohm and an input and output impedance of 200 ohm. The power gain of the amplifier is. Answer will be C 1250. The pressure of an ideal gas is increased by keeping the temperature constant. The kinetic energy of molecules will be increased. Answer will be B. The unit of Stephen's constant sigma is. Answer will be C per meter K minus 4. Repeat question है हमारा. 2 point white dots are 1 millimeter apart on a black paper. They are viewed by the eye of people diameter 3 millimeter. Approximately what is the maximum distance at which these dots can be resolved by the eye? Take wavelength of light equal to 500 millimeter. Answer will be D 5 meter. In Young's double-slit experiment, the intensity of light at a point on the screen where the path difference is lambda is I and lambda being the wavelength of light used, the intensity at a point where the path difference is lambda by 4 will be, answer will be B, I by 2. A police car moving at 22 meters per second chases a motorcyclist. The policeman sounds his horn at 176 Hz while both of them move towards a stationary siren of frequency 165 Hz. Calculate the speed of the motorcycle if it is given that the motorcyclist does not observe any beats. Speed of sound 330 meters per second. Answer will be B, 22 meters per second. The fundamental frequency of a sonometer wire is N. If the length and diameter of the wire are double, keeping the tension same, then the new fundamental frequency is, answer will be C, N by 4. Question number 44. For an ideal gas, the specific heat at constant pressure C P is greater than the specific heat at constant volume CV. This is because, answer will be A. There is a finite work done by the gas on its environment when its temperature is increased while the pressure remains constant. Okay. लास्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं यहाँ फिजिक्स का हमारा वीडियो का भी. द वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम स्टेट्स दैट द चेंज इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ अ पार्टिकल इज इक्वल टू द वर्क डन बाय इट बाय द नेट फोर्स. आंसर विल बी ए. ओके. ये सारे थे हमारे क्वेश्चन फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो के. वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना और जो नए भी हो से प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना क्योंकि ऐसे वीडियो आते रहेंगे. और जिन्हें भी एन टी अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट के सारे पीडीएफ चाहिए वो हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए व्हाट्सएप लिंक से व्हाट्सएप नंबर से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग. हैव अ नाइस डे.